It's our job to take it into fruition and to make it a tangible item.
For instance, we made the main housing for the Maven project that went to Mars.
Retool Bike Fit, which is for professional athletes.
I don't know if you remember the phones that were in airplanes in the back of the headrest. You take a large piece, and somewhere inside that piece of material is the finished part.
But really, it's rocket science and physics that are in action and in play all the time.
Our attention to detail, that's where we shine, by far.
We have a huge capacity because we have a lot of automation.
Allowing the equipment to work for you.
Our goal is to always meet and or exceed their expectations. So we want to give them a part even better than what they ask for.
We do what we say we're going to do. And when we're asked to accomplish something, we do.